Hi everyone. Happy Thursday. I found the counties and I'm going to put the list up just to show them to you as a heads up. Okay, here they are. Alamance, Anson, Cabarrus, Chatham, Cumberland, Davidson, Davie, Guilford, Harnett, Hoke, Lee, Montgomery, Moore, Randolph, Richmond, Robinson, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Union, and Wake counties. Okay, so this is the coverage you got both on August 21st. I haven't heard anything about it since then, nor have I met anyone who knew anything about it. So, heads up. We really should be informed at all times, wouldn't you think?